Hello, can you hear me? Mic check. The stream should start now. Hopefully, I don't know why my OBS this cam is not working. Never mind, I'm just closing it. Settings, that's the one. Okay, no filters today. I hope everything is turned out perfectly fine. Closing this, start the bot, 1, 2, 3. I don't even know if the bot is currently working or not. I'm still anticipating that it's working. Where is my bot? Shortcut. There should be a shortcut right here. Yeah, this is fine. Most of my audio should be working fine. I got a like. Okay, cool. Something is not working probably. My voice meter should work fine. My IP address is same. I have no idea. Someone removed like 0 likes. So the animation is not working currently because the application which I use to make it work, it's not stable right now. So I wanted to start the stream at what 9:30, but it's almost 10 p.m. Half an hour I was just trying to make it work, but looks like it's not working. And I'm unable to hear any sound. I don't know, I just didn't stream for 2 days and things just stopped working. Where is the aux? Yeah, right here. So meanwhile, let's just test if things are working fine or not. First, I'll go to YouTube to let's listen to myself. If how is my microphone, stuff like that. Come on, skip it. Come on, skip it. Come on. First, I'll go to YouTube to let's listen to myself. I think it's working fine. It's way better than my previous wireless microphone. Are you guys able to hear things properly? I think it's way too less. Maybe my audio itself is less. Let me see. Yeah, I will just increase the audio. I'm seeing it as a little bit going inside the reds. I'm at the max setting. Let me just modify the levels inside. It's not a good view to just have my own stream. I'll close it. I like what I'm listening to. In the previous streams, I noticed that there is a lot of stupid noise and gaps as well, but now it's crisp. I should have bought it way too earlier. But I need to monitor the level. Sometimes it's going up. I have no idea how to monitor them, but we'll have to see. There should be a filter in OBS by default. How can I see that? Or maybe inside this NVIDIA? Nope. No sign of it. So let me try switching to control panel. So if I speak way too close, I can hear it properly fine, but naturally I speak it in this way. I won't be like talking to my mic directly. So if I remove this, can it hear properly? But there would be a lot of psst, like stuff like that, because there is no pop filter now. But let's see if it without it, if it works fine, it works fine. I'm just increasing the input of my microphone. Oh, it's at 100%. So probably this is the max it can get. Maybe I don't mind talking loudly. I have no idea. Hey MD, welcome back, bro. I just got a new mic. So yeah, the Batman stuff like those are not really working. The problem is it's the application which I used to make those work is currently down. I just thought it's fine. Let's start the stream. Yeah. How does it sound? But I have to focus myself way too down so that I can be conscious about speaking to my mic. If I tilt my head and speak somewhere else, the audio levels are dropping drastically. Is it road? Not definitely road. It's fee fine. But for the price, it's wonderful. I got for $51, $52, I got the arm as well as the mic. So how is it? I like what I'm listening. It's just, it's way too low. Either I have to talk loudly or maybe I need to do something, but we'll see. Yeah, for cool price, right? It's an XLR plus USB support. As of now, I'm only using USB, but it's fine. If it sounds fine, if you guys are fine, I'm fine too. Yes, it took a decent amount. Let's see if you can see my mic. Show my face. So this is the microphone. This is how it looks. I turned off the RGB. I don't really care about RGB much. So this is the XLR port right here. But I'm not using XLR. XLR is a lot more expensive setup. So XLR is a lot more expensive. So I'm using USB currently, and it sounds fine. I don't see a much problem with it. It's just it's unable to pick my voice if I speak even. Yeah, accidental touch needs to be fixed, but I have to keep in my mind not to touch this or even this. Okay, I'll just be conscious then, talk in this way. If you guys are fine, I'm fine. Back to gaming. So I have a problem which I would like to fix today, which is I have fireworks. I'm fine with that. Yeah, fireworks. Yeah. Did you hear it yourself? I heard it too. I don't know who's doing that. So I was thinking maybe there is another way to monitor the. Yeah, even I heard, but it's way too low. I didn't expect you guys to hear that as well. It's good. It's good. Okay, so I would be doing some Android Studio today. What games you played? I play Battlefield. I play Rainbow Six Siege. But as of now, I'm not really playing any games yet. I just have to, as of now, I have a project. Everything is done. Just for one section of it is not working. I tried to use the existing applications, but they are not working. So I thought maybe I can create my own application for that. It's not really fancy setup. It's really easy, but I don't know much. Android dev today, yeah, something like that. But I haven't done much of Android myself. I mostly depend on React Native stuff like those, but those are not really. Those doesn't really fit for my use case. I need to go way to core Android services like listener, notification responder. Even if I use React Native, I have to write the same Kotlin classes. Yes. So I have I can use ChatGPT and stuff like that. I have a working setup, but I have other challenges. The virtual machine which I'm using right now is this, and it's painfully slow. So I was thinking to just install the Android Studio directly in my Windows machine. That's one approach, but I would definitely would not like to do that in the live stream. But just hopefully I can make it work. Flutter versus React Native for jobs, React Native for developer experience. Either is fine. Honestly, both are really good. It's just Flutter is an engine based. React Native obviously is like there is a JavaScript thread, but eventually your application uses the native components. But Flutter is a engine. I don't hate Flutter or even love React Native as well. It's just depends. But I noticed Flutter is easier to maintain because it's an engine. So all they have to do is just let you play with the engine. But in React Native, there are a lot of changes in the frequent updates. If there is no expo, can you guys hear that? So if there is no expo for React Native, I would easily go with Flutter. Is it muted or not? No. But thanks to expo, React Native got what it is right now. Without expo, it will be way too painful for new people or some. Most of the applications, like almost 60%, would work fine with expo. Hey Gaurav, welcome back, bro. I got a new mic. Hope you listen, or what can I say? Hope the audio is clear. I like what I'm listening to. I just checked into YouTube and I really like what I'm hearing right now. Hopefully that's the same for you guys. But it's really painful for my neck to keep it in this way. Maybe I normally sit in this way. Maybe I can lift it up a little bit and hey, I'll just I'll just decrease the height so that it would still stay in front of my mouth. Tufan, namaste, namaste. So, oh, I got some sound. Don't know where it came from. What's happening? MD explains. Sundar. I'm not. I have no relation to with Sundar Pichai or any other people. Yeah, I don't care. Let's go full screen. I had a basic setup working, but for some reason, the code which I wrote recently, it was not. It's fine. So Relangi Mama is working as expected. It's just that the stream, the application which I primarily see, it's so easy to mute it. So I just have to tap it. Color. I can't really see it at my best. Yeah, touch to mute. Yes, that's exactly the problem. And it does move easily, so that's fine. It's just I need to get used to it. It is RGB, but I turned it off. You can see the color changing. All right, let's turn it on. Do you guys even see the change? I am able to see it. It's blue for me. It's definitely changing, but I don't care. Hi. Tufan garu, namaste. సో గేమ్లో ఏం ఆడట్లేదు, ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేసుకుంటా. So let's open Android Studio. It should be inside downloads, and yeah, there should be it. I don't understand what you're speaking. Explains. There should be a bin folder and somewhere here. Android Studio inside a virtual machine is really slow. I thought to fix it, but looks like I have no other alternate apart from this. Gradle build. So I'm not really expecting most painful. For me, I think it should be working fine because it's a simple application. All it does is listens to the notifications and just replies to it. Dinesh, welcome back, bro. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Peace. I must say the face filters is not currently working. The application which I use just stopped responding. Even I tried restarting my computer, but looks like it's just not working. So never mind. Do you guys also see the same icon? Do you guys also see the #2, the crown inside your usernames, which I see right here, or is it just me who's watching it? Good morning, Dinesh. Welcome to the stream. Are you an Android dev? Do you know Android? I have an application. Oh, the problem is in one phone it's not working, but in another phone it's working fine. So I just couldn't wrap around my head like what's happening. So if you noticed, I am using a new mic. I was expecting you to give a review whether it sounds good or not. This is the best settings I have. I can't really increase the audio more than this. It's almost like maxed out completely, the audio input. The gain is completely maxed out. So no, I think I don't know how to tighten this up. It's way too loose. So let me try fixing it. 1 second. Check. Mic check. Yeah. Is it back? Yeah, looks like it. So I was just touching it and I noticed it's rotating a lot. So I just tighten it up. I like the sound. I just wish it could bring a lot more than this. And I need a OBS filter so that I'm noticing that my audio is touching reds at some time if I speak too loudly or hello. See, it's way too loud. But in a normal conversations, this is what I use my voice level. So that for that levels, this is fine. Explains, maintain the decorum, don't spam, don't insult anyone. So let's connect my phone. It should be connected right now. Where's the wireless debugging option? Hey, I got 3 likes. If you guys notice, there is no like animation. Don't hate me for that. I'm trying my best to bring that back, but looks like the application which I use to get that like animation is not working. I tried my best, it just couldn't bring it back. So maybe we can try another alternate for that instead of doing the app now. So I'll just, where is it? Push it down. Sudo rmrf decorum. As the like animation is not working, and also the application which I use to make that work, it takes a lot of resources from my PC. So I was thinking maybe I can come up with another. Did I mute myself? No. Maybe I can come up with another solution instead of using a third-party app, because we know things like those would just straight doesn't work. And I'm not getting the audio as well. I don't know what is the problem with that. Let me try fixing that audio thing. Yeah, Xcolor Pro, it's a wonderful tool. If you use that, I actually created an extension so that we can save our canvases in the cloud. Let me just try to see if things are working fine. Can't listen to that, dude. Why? I'm not getting any audio. Why is that? Oh, it's in the fine mode. Can you guys listen to this now? I get the audio, but where is this? It's incoming stream and it should be placed inside V1. This is the one. I don't get any music. Are you guys able to listen to what's happening? No. The streaming PC shows that the audio is coming from streaming, is being sent from streaming PC to my PC. But as you can see, that's not really the case. I'll just restart it. Hopefully things work. I will not follow USA Constitution. If you live inside it, you have to. I see the outgoing PC and which is in the A2. So maybe I'll set the A2 for that one. Hello. Hey, I got 4 likes. Thank you so much. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Oh, I got 5 likes again. Thank you so much. I'm just trying to fix my microphone. So not microphone, the audio. The audio which I get from my PC is not being transferred to my gaming PC. I don't know why. It was working fine in the last stream. So thinking, what is the issue? Let me see if whatever I'm sending here is being sent to streaming PC or not. Which one? Sure, this seems fine. I'm using the same old mic and it sounds fine in the previous setups. I don't know what happened to that. I had to buy a new one. Hey, thanks for the 6 likes. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'll try to bring that application back. I tried honestly, but it's not working. So I thought about maybe I need to build my own ways of like, dislike, or some other face filters. I just don't know why it's not working. And the second thing is the audio is also not working. I noticed there's an audio being played. Maybe this video doesn't have any audio. Let me see. Where is it? This definitely has some audio. Abiru, welcome. Just hopped in to say hi. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. Hope you have a great day too. I'm struggling to get my audio back, but it's not working as expected. So I should be receiving an audio to this section. But what's happening is fast errors. It should show something. Let me play my own stream inside YouTube. I still don't understand why it's not working. It should have some sound. It looks like it definitely has some sound, which is coming to A2, but it's not being transferred to my other PC. Outgoing, this is the one, bus A2. What's the problem, dude? Why would you not work? Is my IP address wrong? No, that's the right one. Stream name is Mike. Shouldn't it be stream PC or something? Oh, it's outgoing, sorry. So yeah, this is totally fine. IP from 192.1. Maybe my IP address is wrong. So let me just confirm that. CMD IP config. Oh yeah, my IP address is changed. No, my IP address is the same. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. But why am I getting two IP addresses? It's probably because of that. Maybe I will just delete this instead. Exit. Maybe due to VPNs which I have, the IP address might be clashing or something. What is this? 1080, 10 by 80. It's time to go for control panel. Yeah, sorry for don't remove the likes, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to fix the audio. It's a good thing that you guys can still hear me. Abhishek, just a question. Do you prefer monolithic or microservices? Do I prefer microservices? Yes. 80% microservices. I think that is true. For my entire stream application, the Railing Mama, it's written in microservices. I have 3 different servers. One is in my gaming PC, one is in my streaming PC, and one is in my Raspberry Pi. But in the Raspberry Pi, there are all concurrent functions instead of API calls. So it's microservice, but also monolithic a little bit. Everything starts with monolithic, and then depends on the load, it would just split things. Network and internet. Let's see, network and sharing. I do have Tailscale, and it says VPN. What VPN is this? Oh, it's probably my soft ether VPN client. Maybe that's probably my soft ether VPN client. I can see things working now. Probably my soft ether VPN client. I can see things working now. Probably my soft ether VPN client. How can I turn it off? Oh, I'm just listening to my own stream. Sorry. 1 second. Yep, now it's fixed. So let's bring that back, whatever it is. Okay, looks like things are working fine. If anyone would like to, can anyone like my stream so that I can confirm whether the things, basic things are working fine or not. I still have no idea why my the snap cam is not working. Okay, that means the audio is working, definitely, for sure. And the application, it says it's already running, but that's not true. Happy, yeah. The face filters, I understand. I'm trying to bring that back, but it's not working. Why would someone dislike for that? In task. So let's imagine, let's just say, if I cannot bring back those cat filters. Sounds good. Hey, welcome to the stream, top 5 stocks. Welcome to the stream, you seem new. So I got a new mic. This is my day 1 with this new mic, which is good. I just tested it and it sounds fine. The only issue is I had to speak directly into the mic, which I expected, but I expected that I can stay a little bit far and it would still pick up my voice. It is picking up my voice, but it's picking up way too low. Even the input gain is maxed out. Maybe I can put some filters and try doing it again, but that's a different story. So I just gave up. I started my stream. So you're new to this channel. I normally have some animation when someone likes, someone removes my a like. So that animation. Siddhant, welcome back, bro. It's been a long time. I got a new mic. This is day 1. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, Siddhant. Give me 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. This is yep, fixed. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry, Siddhant. It's been a long time. Where were you? I have added points. Points are currently working as expected. There are a lot of changes to the channel. Everything's good. Anyway, top 5 stocks. Top 5 stocks. You have joined the stream in the wrong time. I normally have a lot of animations like commands which you could use, and some of them depend on the application which is not working. So I was thinking maybe just entirely give away, stop using that application and try to build my own alternate. So that I also faced a lot of issues in the past where the application would just crash right in the middle of a stream. So I was thinking maybe it's high time to build my own alternate for that, so that I can have a better control on it. Speak isn't working. It should work fine. Let's see. I don't think so. It should work fine. Try it now. It should work. It should work. Try it one more time. Maybe I can just restart the server instead. Probably that could fix it.
Siddhant ODA says, I am a gay.
It's working. Hey, V2 chatter, welcome to the stream. What's up, V2 chatter? So there is a timeout MD explains, which is basically if someone triggers the speak command, you have to wait for a certain time in order to trigger it again. V2 chatter, hey, how you are doing? I'm actually doing pretty good. This is my new mic. This is my day 1 speaking to this new mic. That's a good thing. And there was another bad thing, which is, can I cash out the points? Not really. That's not how it works. So what are you building? This also answers V2 chatter. So Lalit and V2 chatter, listen carefully. So when someone likes my stream and someone dislikes, or there are a lot of commands which usually depend on an application called Snapcam, which is what I was primarily using. But as we can see, it's not working. I wasted 30 minutes of time trying to restart my PC, trying to restart the application, but it's not working.
I switched. Oh. I'm in Bhubaneswar and life has been a bit exhausting.
Well, I hope you get used to it, or your life gets better. But there would be some ups in life, so get used to it. Adulthood, basically. Ashraf, welcome to the stream. Hey, Mr. Hacker. Hi. Speak command is paid, yes. You need 20 points to use the speak command. I thought about it. I think I can just turn it off right now. So if you think that's way too much, thanks for the like. So this is what I'm building right now. So when someone likes, usually I would get the animation. But the problem is the application which I use to trigger the animation is not working. So I was thinking maybe it's right time to build an alternate myself. So I'm just brainstorming in this stream. In the next stream, I would probably work with that so that I can just ditch the Snapcam completely. It's a wonderful application. No hate on it. I got 14 likes. Thank you so much. So normally when you like, I get a filter on my face, a happy cat dancing. That's what normally happens. But the application which controls it is not working. No, I didn't find one for myself. So when you remove the like, I would suggest not to dislike, just double tap the like button again so that the like would go away instead of disliking. So when you dislike, there is another animation in general, but even that is not working. So I was trying to have a setup where I can just trigger the animations. So this is my face. Normally we have my face here. So I was thinking, how can I do something? Hey, thanks for 13 likes. 13 is not really a good number. Make it 14, I guess. Thank you. So I was thinking, how can I recreate the same cat filters? Obviously, I cannot design a 3D cat on my face. It's way too ambitious. So Siddharth, Dinesh, Hacker, Ashraf, whoever is watching, I would request for some ideas. So my initial idea was, when someone likes my stream, I would trigger a pop-up right here. It would just come up, thanks for the like, and it would go away. Or just ditch Go for Python and you will become a billionaire overnight, and all the systems will work without any glitch. Narendra Modi will personally give you a BI. Dude, where are you? Pop-up seem fine. Yeah, pop-up seem fine. But previously it was really fun. I guess you guys are new, but I'll just show you how it would work in the past. So 9 people are watching. Interesting. So in the past streams, let's go to some of my old streams. Yeah, yesterday in this stream it was working fine. I don't know, where is it? Yeah, there was an animation right here. It's a 5 to 6 second animation, so where is it? Yeah, I don't think I can find it somewhere. It should be somewhere here. Dismiss. It's fine. Let's give it up. It should be, there should be somewhere. How is my mic before? Yeah, I was looking for the microphones in the last stream. And there were guests at home, so that's why I couldn't really stream. And they left today, so yeah, it's a waste of time. So yeah, basically the previous things were not working as expected. This is my basically a server, so let's close it. So yeah, let's create something. Let's see, this is my OBS screen. Probably this is my face. So I would need something flashy. A pop-up is neat, but I would need something flashy so that if someone likes, they see something's happening or something's moving in the stream. So I have let's see, I have like an arrows popping up, the anime like zoom effect. So that's totally doable. So that's fine. It should look something like this. Celebrate. You see those lines? I can basically use the same lines, something like this, but I need to do something else. So for someone when likes king my stream, or else let's keep it minimal. If someone likes, I would just bring a pop-up of some, cat, dancing cat, and it would just go away when it's done. That should be fine. And when someone removes my like, so the same pop-up opens up with a crying face. But that pop-up needs to wait or stay until 5 to 6 seconds, because that's when the audio is also playing. So let's see what changes I need to make. Stream assistant, this is the one. I need to change many things than expected, honestly. So in the alerts, this is in the go.main. We see take stats. This is the stats, and this is where the actual, this is where the logic happens. If I have a like, if the like goes up, it will trigger this action. And inside this action, I would need to trigger those animation. In order to make it faster and easier, simple, let's create a HTML file and assign it. And that pop-up needs to come up, go down, something like that. Where should I have it though? Any brilliant ideas, guys? Where should I have it? I don't need a terminal at this point, so let's close it down. Is my database being synced up? Google Drive, stream.db. It's 1st July. This is 3rd July. For some reason, this is not also working. So let's see if I can fix that. I can brainstorm how it's inactive. Are you guys able to see this, or should I zoom? How can I make it big? This microphone takes a lot of space. I can't look at my keyboard. I have to move my head a little bit. So nano rclone backup log. It says the command is not found. Why? This is the same command which I've been using for a long time. Con ls. No, sudo cron ls. Why? Resource temporarily available. No, cron. What is the command to open my cron jobs? ChatGPT, Raspberry Pi, list out cron jobs. Cron tab -L. My bad. What? Okay, it should be small letters. Yeah, so this is the command which basically responsible to copy. Does it not work? Okay, no problem. So rclone do this. Come on. If this thing works, then why is it not working in a cron environment? Stupid. Is it working or is it completely dead? Looks like it worked. So yeah, we can see it definitely worked. What is the size of this? It's 140 KB, then that means that's the right file. But why is it not working inside the cron? Like, what is it called? Maybe I will just change it. How can I change it? I got cron jobs in Raspberry Pi. How to modify those? These are the things which we do rarely, once a while, and we forget how to do things. Yeah, it's not E, it's ls. So if I remove, oh no. Why is it going down? Oh no. So it's just this one. Okay, then now they should work fine. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's way too less. Where is rclone actually located? So I'm saving this, but instead I would want it. I see cron and I know I'm in a good, for a good time. Welcome to the stream, Short Snoff. I'm going to call you Short. Welcome to the stream. You seem new to the channel. This is the day 1 of my new mic. Hope it sounds clear to you. You joined in a wrong time actually. My animations which would trigger when someone likes or does some things in my stream is not working. I depend on an application and that application is not working as expected. So once I fix this cron thing, I would go and work with that application which is sitting right here. So this is very crucial for me. I back up my database file. We can see userdb. Thanks for the like. So normally while this is happening, along with that audio, there would be a cat face or a cat filter on my face. So I would just dance like this. Yeah, no more. Codebam, welcome to the stream. Is it on Pi? Yes, it's Raspberry Pi 02. 32-bit ARM 7V processor. This is where all my servers are running on. I love this product. It's a wonderful electronic. Yeah, basically no issues so far for me. It processes things fine. I never had any issues. Hey, 15 likes finally. Good. So code bam. I use an application to trigger those face filters, happy things. That application is opening up, but it couldn't read my camera for some reason. I tried for almost 30 minutes. I restarted my PC. I restarted my, entire camera system. It just couldn't read my camera. Even not just my camera, it wasn't reading anything. Someone removed my like. No worries. And we can also see the comment count, whatever. Show my face. The comment count, which is right here. The thing is also not working. I can see a lot of Railing Imama text. Should I remove some of them? I think it looks kind of a spammy. What do you guys think? I already have the number of likes I have on my screen, so it's better to just make sure not to. Where is it? That should be sent to YouTube. Yeah, I'll just remove this for now so that there will be a lot less spam. Yeah, it's basically spamming like 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 5 messages were regarding the likes. So let's push this change in a while, but let's fix the cron job. So shorts. Do you have any idea how can I? This R clone is working fine if I run this command directly in my terminal, but the moment I run it inside this cron, it says command is not found. But the same exact line was working fine for months. I just noticed recently, but noticed that things are not working as expected. So I was thinking, how can I trigger this every 5 minutes? Hey Jagdeep, welcome to the stream. I got a new mic. So if you guys think I'm showing my face instead of the screen, you can turn it. So you can say like exclamation screen to go back to my screen. Welcome to the channel, Jagdeep. Sorry, welcome to the stream, Jagdeep. Good to have you. Good morning. Back to gaming. I'm taking shower. Be right back. Okay, no problem. So I was thinking, in order to test this, like how can I trigger it every 5 minutes so that I can. So which R clone is in the exact path? This is the path which I gave it. Yeah, that's fine. So this is what I did. We can see previously I used this exact command. And this was the fix which I thought that would fix the issue. But before that, I was just using the straight R clone. It worked for months, for almost 8 months. No changes, nothing. It worked for 8 months. Then I started just randomly going into my cloud storage, and I saw database is not being uploaded. I thought I have messed up R clone for something or something like that. But it was working fine. Though it just couldn't get the environment properly inside this R clone, and I had basically no changes in my Raspberry Pi. It was working fine before. It's basically the same. I didn't reinstall the operating system, no recovery or something like that. It's the same. So we can see this was the previous one which didn't work because I'm using the same path anyways, and it's just didn't work. So I was thinking maybe if only I can just test it a few times while I'm live, so that how can I make it run once 5 minutes, like once 2 minutes, once every 2 minutes, so that I can exactly see it's 2 a.m. It runs every 2 minutes, so that's totally fine. I will just do that. What was the change? It's just 2 star. What is it? *2. I have no shame to admit that I don't really recall all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this looks fine. So exit. Yes. So let's see ls, and we should be seeing R clone backup, nano, R clone. Are you guys able to see my code? I think it's way too down, so I'll just add it. Does anyone know how to zoom this thing? Full screen maximize? No. Change settings. Colors, appearance probably, and how can I zoom? Font, yes. It should be 20. Basically double the size. Oh, that's way too big. It's fine. Maybe you guys can see things clear now. Is it fine? Is it looking fine now? I think it should look fine. Hey, Naren, I'm going to call you Max. Max, welcome to the stream. Randomly came here in my by my feed. Well, that's a good thing, I guess. That's good. That's good. Thank you. I never really tried about zooming this thing. How to become a Java full stack developer? I want guidance. I feel it's hard to learn and focus attention. That's your problem. For me, when I find things harder to learn, that means I'm trying to learn too many things at the same time, or I just lack fundamentals. And focus attention is just on personal levels. Either you're not truly interested or you're less motivated. If you're naturally motivated, you couldn't just go out of focus. I normally speak whatever I have in my mind. Even though you're a new user, I don't want to go easy on you. It's just the truth. You don't really have a natural motivation. Either you're motivated by getting a job or some money, but you're not really motivated to learn that thing. So I don't really know how to fix that thing, but I can fix why you're trying. Yeah, true. I'm from non-CS. Well, you know the answer for that. How can you get motivated? Maybe try to, do some things as a small steps. Maybe you get some happiness by doing that, and you can get some natural.
So Iconic says,
Iconic,
hello world.
Welcome to the stream, Iconic. Good to have you back. So for the first question, it's hard to learn because obviously you lack a certain amount of motivation. And second thing, you cannot learn a programming language by reading or following certain steps. Write simple programs by yourself, understand the structural or instruction logic. It takes time, 1 month basically, to find some fundamentals. Yes, P command now takes points. I'm thinking to drop those points, but again, most people have more than 100 points now. If you notice, I thought you would notice there is something new right in front of my face. Drop some feedback about it, Iconic. You are an old viewer, probably. You were in my channel for like two years now. How does it sound? Does it sound clear at least? So that's one change, the new mic basically. And the second change is the snap cam, which I use to bring my filters on my face. It's painfully crashing a lot from few days back. I just gave it up. I'm thinking to write my own application, not the filters, but maybe something else. I can understand up to loops. After that, I feel hard to understand advanced concept. Sure, thanks. I should practice more. If you're trying to, just give me one topic where you find it too difficult that you couldn't understand. Can you hear me properly? Yeah, your video quality is okay, not bad. It's good. I can able to see your face clearly. Well, if you want to see my face, just say face, exclamation, face. You can control what appears, what the layout is actually. Max, I'm going to call you Max. Yeah, that's how it works. So Iconic is 550. You have 550 points. Speak command takes 20. And it's totally fine. Don't worry about it. I mean, I have the database. I can just modify the database anytime I want. Nano R clone log. We can see this is the problem, Iconic. Maybe code BAM, you guys can see. Command not found. So this R clone is unable to found it. So let's see where is this. PWD. Can I do this? PWD. Because of this new mic, I can't see things properly on my keyboard, especially the special characters. I don't really want to manually set things. I just hate doing that. Let's give it 2 minutes. Oops concepts, which is what I'm feeling hard to understand. Are you afraid about oops topics, or you just tried your best but couldn't understand? Oops has like 4 to 5 fundamental concepts. Go one by one. Don't go to the next one until you are clear with the first one. Watch 1 or 2 videos. That's it. Watch 1 or 2 videos. After that, do not watch any video. Try to write a program. Of course, it's safe to say that you wouldn't get it. Try to use ChatGPT. It's really a good tool, free tool to make you understand things. Try to write a class by yourself. Try to modify that class file. Try to create a blueprint. Try to create multiple different things. The one good example is to create a simple application by yourself. Let's say in Oops, we can deal with overloading, overriding, stuff like that. So you can then try to see what is the use. Why did they come up with these Oops concepts? Why can't they just use normal functions? Why do they have to write things in class? Once you know the purpose of why the industry started using object-oriented programming, maybe you can get the understanding of it. It's like if in a given good example, let's say you wanted to become a photographer. If you didn't have enough experience, if you don't know to take a basic photograph from a phone, it doesn't matter if I give you a 1 crore rupee or a complex or professional photographing camera unit to you, you won't be able to do what much. Not afraid. I can able to understand when someone explains in simple terms, the like typical car, yeah. That if I want to make any different couple, I won't be able to write. Okay. That means you have watched how to unlock the key, but you haven't really tried to do it yourself. You just have to do it. That's the only way. You just have to do it. Initially, it takes time. Trust me. I'm using this Go programming language, and for the first 1 or 2 hours, I was like, what the hell am I even doing? Then I stopped using, I normally don't watch YouTube videos. I would just directly go for. So what's the topic? I'm so sorry. You are new to the channel, Endless Flow Codes. There are 3 things which are happening. Hey, Rocky, welcome back. First thing, I'm trying to fix this cron job, which is not working. You can see the error which says is this, command not found. That's first topic. And the second one is, basically just do it. The second topic is, I was previously using an application called Snapcam, which controls what appears on my face. When someone likes, when someone dislikes, there are certain commands which basically used, but that application is not working. So the next topic is, I was trying to build an alternate for that application. I'm not going to create, a face filtering application. It's just, instead of using depending on that application, I will try to bring up something else so that I can give you guys some entertainment. So 3 things. That's what's happening. Max, where I can practice these basic concepts for free, sir. Can you just suggest some platforms? You don't really need any platforms. Stop paying for platforms. Stop visiting platforms. Java is a very old language. It's not a new language. You shouldn't be. YouTube videos is enough. You shouldn't be going much more than that. Trust me. You don't need help. You have. How old are you? If you don't mind me asking. If you don't want to give a perfect number, just say about 25 or about 20. I'm 27, by the way, so that's different. There are certain things you have to do it yourself. You don't really need a platform. If you want, then there is a thing called bootcamp. Not that one. We have 1 minute. Language Java. Bootcamp. In your 20s, then that you are 100% capable to do things on your own. I thought you were like maybe like first year student or something. Or not these. I'm not saying boot camps. One second. There is an application which goes over from all the basics. What is the website which has Java practice? There is a website which. Oh yeah. Screen. Thank you so much. These are way too much difficult for you. So JetBrains, no. Coding bad, no. Probably this one. What the hell is this? So let's see. This is not definitely the application, but previously there was one. Flows arrays. Yeah, there comes the oops. Is it free? Okay. I don't know. I don't really remember the website names, but that should be working fine. Did it work fine? 23.3? Did it actually work fine? So I would suggest this, Max. Does anyone know a website where they teach you basics? They have an entire cheat sheet of all the basic fundamentals of a given programming language. It has all the programming languages. I don't remember it. Cheat sheet for Java. Not these one. Quickreference.me, maybe this one. Java arrays, conditions, loops, collection frameworks. Nah, not really. Miscellaneous. No. Okay, I give up. Let's stop worrying about it. So if I would learn object-oriented programming, how I would learn? You have to write code by yourself. You have to write it. You don't have to use a platform. You can just use the free version of ChatGPT, and I would do this. I would like to learn fundamentals. I can't see my keyboard, man. Fundamentals of oops in Java. I watched enough videos. All I want is to write some code, but I want your help to ask me basic code to medium. So this is a bit, ChatGPT is a wonderful tool, man. If you know how to use it, it does it. Classes and object, that's fine. Okay, it's giving me code. Okay, so what it does is a great brand. Okay, it's giving the same car example. So this is how I learned when I was back in college. I was told to create a calculator application. So in that application, I learned about basic math in Java, how to do it. Second, function overloading and overriding. Those two things I learned because in the same add function, you can add integers, you can add decimals or floats. So you would learn function overload, and then during runtime, you can, based on the type, you can just call whatever the function it is, function overriding. So you need to use those tools in order to learn it. Maybe I'll try to search a platform myself after the stream. There is a wonderful website. I don't know. I don't really remember the site. Maybe I need to start storing all those links in a notepad or somewhere. You learn C++? Yes. Back in university, yes. I haven't done much, honestly speaking. I'm so sorry, Max. It's been a while. Just a small tip for you. You need to change your mindset. Stop depending on platforms and YouTube videos. You have watched enough. Start using things. Start whatever you have in your mind. Start whatever you learned. Just redo the same things. It will be hard, but one day, honestly speaking, in just few hours, you would be able to do it. So just keep pushing. No problem. Peace. Yeah, C++. Honestly speaking, I haven't really done much in C++ Iconic. I was more into Java than C++. And the reason that was, I did C++ in my first year, and I was not really able to understand that C++ language because the same problem which Max had. I don't really had a personal motivation to learn it. But in the second year, I wanted to maintain my own gaming server. For that, I used a Java application. So that's when I learned Java because of that motivation. And that's where the journey started. So in C++, I never really had any purpose or motivation for it. For Golang, I had a motivation. For Python, I had one. For Angular, obviously for job, that's the motivation. So you need to have a natural motivation. Oh, I just dropped it. Okay. Let's stick to basics. I think it's working. we can see it's copying for every 2 minutes, so that's good, I guess. If not, I can just check it myself every day. On tab E. Does anyone know what was the previous one I had? For every 2 minutes is overkill, so it should be 0.2, I guess. And 3 dots. Let's see the chat GPT. I don't know if I still have it. Yeah, I still have it. So 0.2, 3 dots. Yeah, this is the one. Exit, save, done. So backup application, let's say it's working fine. So let's go to this. I would like to ask help from you guys to give me ideas of how you want this alerts to work. So first thing, happy music. I need to do something. So when someone likes, I need to open a small browser tab and just show a cat dancing. Cat dancing GIF. A pop-up would be working totally fine, so no background. That's fine. Copy image. So let's have inside static. I would create new folder. What's it called? Cats. Say HTML. Index.html, or we can say like.html, something like that. Should we do like or should we do dislike? Let's say like.html. HTML5, and it should have an image of this. Oh, that didn't work. Is it also dance? Yeah, this is also seem like dancing. This is way too fast. I think the original shouldn't be that fast. Oh, this is way too slow. Way too pixelated. I can just select some random images. So let's go with this one for first, or copy image address. That's totally fine. And set the image height to 70 pixels and width to 40. Live server. If you guys think I'm using what is that one? My meme knowledge is not that great, I must say. Cat. I know this, but yeah, spinning cat. Of course, that's a wonderful meme. But where could I use it? For like or dislike? So yeah, we can just say okay. This is a green. It doesn't even play. Oh, is it working or not? So I would do this. We can have a random URLs to be shown. This is a wonderful thing as well. What is this? Oh, have you seen this seal bounce meme? Man, it was a wonderful thing, man. So this is the one. I don't know if I get copyrighted stuff or that, but it's a wonderful meme. I watch it almost once a week. Let me show it to you. It's called Bounce Seal. This is the one. Do you guys know this meme? Just look at this. I don't know who created it or who thought about it. So, oh, this is a wonderful meme. I like it. It's the same way, just like they don't really have a purpose or a meaning. It would just, if you look at it, you would get a smile. That's it. That's a very old meme, even older than the cat meme. Iconic. How is the mic? I spent $51 on this. I like it, but obviously I want you guys to also say something about it, like it or something. And have you guys noticed the 7XP? What is this? Oh, YouTube started to give their own XPs. Probably my code, which I'm using right now. I think those will be. Thank you for the like. I think those will be waste. Timestamp. I don't need timestamps. I think whatever I did with my points, someday I think those would be just ignored because of YouTube has its own point system now. How can I ignore this user from points? Is it possible? Can I ignore a certain user from my points? Probably my own bot, because I don't want that to stay on top all day. Remove as a managing, not really. Put user in timeout, no. Guess there is no option for it. Okay, some other time later. So if someone likes, there would be a cat dancing meme opening up here, and it would say thanks for the like. As simple as that. It works. So let's just work with it. This is how it's dancing right now. So how should I have it? Style. Can you guys see my screen, or should I zoom it up? Background color, transparent. It still stays transparent like that. Okay. So let's have it inside a div. Dude, I can't really see things. So let's create another div. Yeah, it's original Chinese audio song too. I didn't get it. Iconic. So sorry. So that's the URL. And thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. How should I have it? Ding, 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 ding. Oh man, I missed those filters, man. They were really good. What can I say? So what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Thanks for liking the stream. So basically this is what I want. Imagine this, a text on the top and an image right here. So I would do CSS, not sorry. Yeah, this is the one. Increase, and it should have this one. Okay, I need another div. Come on, don't type stupid spelling mistakes. Dude. Where is that mpet? Wrap with application div. I think that's a lot better. Okay, that's done. Let's set the styles, display, flex direction. It should be row. Justify content, center, align contents. Yeah, center. What else? Align item, center. Yes. Gap should be, let's say, of 10 pixels. That's totally fine. Let's see. Okay, what is the width of this? Width fit content. That's totally fine. I need to basically increase the length of it. Hey Jagdeep, welcome back, bro. I'm doing something not really worth streaming. It's just one thing is not working, so I had to find another solution for that. So yeah, when you like my stream, something will happen. The animation thing. The application is not really stable anymore, so I thought it's better to remove it now than in the future. So I was trying to stop having a dependency on it, but I can't really create my own applications. I was thinking maybe it should be better to write a span. No. Understood. Yeah, it was a wonderful application. How many days it worked? Probably months or years. I was using the same application before as well. Gap 10 pixels. Why is it not working? Align. Hello? Oh, not here, not here, not here. Align self, no, not working. And then it should be called something else. Why is it this not working? Flex wrap? I would want no wrap. I don't want any wrap to be happening. So this thing wouldn't work. Come on, dude. Let me. What is the CSS for that? Oh yeah, it definitely worked. Looks like it. It works, but the problem is the image, not the entire thing. The cat is itself is down. Any brilliant ideas, people? Images, please show me a cat dancing image. It's fine. Copy image URL, and it should be this. Okay, let's see how it looks. I have removed everything. Wonderful. Width. What is it called? Width. Fit content. Yes. So I cannot increase the height. Someone removed the like. I can understand. I'm not doing something worth streaming while, but it's fine. So basically there is no need for width, so I'm removing that, but I would definitely need this 300 and 300. Okay, got a like. Why do I need a BR? There's absolutely no need for a BR. So let's increase this one font size, let's say 4 EM. 4 REM doesn't. Google Fonts got a like. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not really doing anything really exciting, but I hope you understand this needs to be done now. And I have 30 more minutes, so probably I will rush things. This seems fancy, isn't it? But I don't think that will be clearly visible on the stream, so I'll just leave it as it is. I would need something bolder or something like this, artistic, definitely. Yeah, this seems fun. This definitely seems fun. There's no bold inside this? Okay, how can I use it? Get font. Get the embedded code inside web. This is how I need it. Okay, so let's have it here. And then inside CSS, I need unique identifier. Come on, dude. Roboto. Where is my this one? Did it work? I don't think so. Control F5, Control F5. No, it's not working. Why? Do I need anything extra? Maybe this is needed. How can I see? What's the problem with this? I think I muted myself. So sorry. Robot is a Google default font. You want fascinate. Well, I'm not really. Oh, wait. Now I understand the problem. Did I just get. Okay, let's. Oh, this is the one I want. Oh, it has this one. Oh my god. Yeah. Get font. Oh, thank you so much. Wonderful. I don't care. Fascinate. Inline regular. What is the pre-code for this? So let's. Thank you so much, CodeBam. Where are you streaming from? Like which region? I'm from US, Eastern region. I mean, you asked for region, so that's why I only told you region. You have my time right. Show my face. It's right here. That's my local time. Number of likes, number of viewers. I mean, the comment count. I forgot to turn that on. I thought no one really cared about it that much, so I just disabled it. Back to gaming. Yeah, now I can see something, but it's way too less. Font size 4 EM. Yeah, that's why I asked. I'm from Southeast Asia and got confused. Lol. Understand. Most people have that issue. It's night for me, so that's why this is the only time I can stream. But if it's weekend, I would be streaming on nights for you guys. Sanjad. I'm also from India, so on weekdays I would stream at nights or mornings for you, but on weekends I would stream on mornings for me and nights for you. There's a difference. I think this is way too fast, isn't it? The first dance thing is what is this? Epic Farhan, welcome to the stream. You guys seem to the new to the channel. Seems good. Thanks for joining the stream. Thank you so much. Feels good. What's up, Farhan? You have it. Oh, this is wonderful. I have some questions. Never feel. No problem. Drop all your questions for EM. This is fine. So I would like to change the first GIF. It's loading a little bit less. So let's change that first GIF. Can someone get hired without a degree in SWE fields? It is possible, yes, but not for the general audience. No. So obviously not in a well-known companies. Hey, you subbed? I thought you're. Thank you for the sub. Celebrate. Thank you for the subscribe. And normally when you hear this music, there would be a cat filter on my face and it would be a cool animation, but the application which I use is broken and it's been broken for a few times now, so I just thought to get rid of it. 22, what 22? Yeah, 22 likes. I wish the application would work fine, man. So big tech companies don't hire based on the experience or projects. No, they don't. But normally you could join some companies. So I would suggest look for the companies which would hire. Doesn't really matter where you come from. So they would hire you, get some experience, and then you can grow on your own career. Saying this out of experience, not with personal experience, but I know someone who doesn't really have a degree, but it has a good knowledge. So everyone knows that he's a good person. So there are a lot of growing companies who doesn't really care about your education. They would give you an assignment once you yeah, basically startups, yes. But there are startups which work for American or international clients where the clients would just hand over the project to them. They don't really care who's working on. They just would just tell them, okay, just build an app for us. That's it. You can join those companies. They would also pay well, get some experience, grow in seniority. Like don't just be a software developer. Maybe become a temporary lead or a team lead, so that you can use that team lead experience to grow, not your education experience. I know someone who basically became a CTO for a small company, not really a Google level CTO, but for a small company, he became that. But he's way too knowledgeable. I'm not really questioning his skills. So that proves, of course, the path to achieve that is not straightforward. You cannot obviously join a lot of companies which do background verifications or stuff like that. So you need to target a different set of companies. Hope I answered your question. It will be hard, but it's possible. Okay, this seems fine. Like that. No problem, bro. No problem. Thanks. Oh, I disabled that. My bad. One second, people. And now it will work fine. Thanks. Yeah. So this would just I would want this to be open for a certain period of time. So let's set this up. So background color transparent. I don't know how transparent would react in general. So let's set it to green so that I can apply green screen effect for this. And inside this I can have like a background color white, border radius 10 pixels, perfectly fine, radius 20. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Where is background? Okay, it should be something like this then. I don't really need this much of width. I would just want that to come up and go down by itself. So let's create an ID for this. Oh, my bad. I'm using Angular. My bad. Main container script. It's generally advised to write it here. Function animate. So normally it would get this style. Or no, not really. Document dot get element by ID. How can I? With CSS, I can definitely do that. Maybe I need to just trigger an animation. Okay, I'll write an animation. Animation at the rate keyframes identifier. Let's say animate. It should say top. Let's say position. Not here. Main container position absolute top 50% minus 50%. I don't know how it would. I have no clue how it would look. That looks fine. So let's just we probably need to increase some width. How can I just keep it? If I hide it, no, then definitely not. The problem is this. I need to increase the width for this. Width fit content. No. Maybe min width. Yeah, that's fine. Did I have a width for this? Then why is it? Why is it going outside like this? Shouldn't it have a decent width? All right, let's set a width. Probably pixels. I have no clue why that was being like that. It's definitely weird. Very weird. But for the like, I might need to add margin left 10 pixels. Okay, that's fine. 75. I mean, yeah, it's UI, so let's make it perfect instead of, you know. Okay, this is the final changes. 1 second, I will read your comment. 1 second. Oh, this is not the one. All right, here. Also, I saw a lot of new CS students panic because of the new vibe coding trend. Do you think AI will replace programmers? It's already doing in a certain level, but it will not do it for everyone. Yes. So programmer AI would replace in this way. It would not replace one by like one-to-one developer. It would just replace the number of developers in a team. But it would, so indirectly it would do it. It's already doing it. There are no more junior dev jobs. There are no more code reviewers or stuff like that because AI is doing it. It happened in my company, which I'm currently working on. They use AI a lot, not really to grow. It's just to decrease people working for them. Will be gone. It's already gone, man. It's already gone. It's way too late. So it will definitely replace programmers, which is true, but it would not replace engineers. That's my answer. 1 second, guys. Let me refill my water. So I'm not saying some classic Instagram quotes. It's just engineering is different. Programming is different. Everyone knows how to write a for loop. But AIs cannot really handle business logic. AIs cannot really handle corporate stuff. It should be done by humans. At least that's what I think. But honestly, thinking about it, if every job is done by AI, which is a good thing, then we should not be able to work. Isn't it a good idea? If everything is done by AI, let's say AI is doing software engineering, AI is doing cloud engineering, everything is done by AI. That day wouldn't happen because there needs to be people who buy the product so that the product owners can sell the product. If people doesn't have money, then there is no one to buy the product, so the companies would die. What are you making? Welcome to the stream, Leo. 1 second. Oh. So I'm making this. Previously, you are new to my channel. Previously, when someone likes my stream or removes the like, there would be an animation which comes up on my face. There would be a lot of lights. But I was depending on an application which made it possible. But since 2 to 3 days, it gave me a lot of trouble. So basically you can still hear the sound for that animation. It's just there is no animation because the application is not working. So I was thinking, why not just take that application out of the site because it's buggy and not working fine. I was just thinking, why not? It's the right time to remove it. So this is my server, or the Relangi Mama, the bot, is my bot. It knows everything. It knows what's happening on my stream. It knows who is new, who is old, how many messages you sent. It maintains this website, everything. So Leo's Brick, that's you. So you can see this is your first comment. You only have 1 point. With these points, you can do certain things. Epic Farhan, he has 9 points, and this last message is true. I'm not using any YouTube API. I have my own thing. So yeah, everything is handled by Relangi Mama. It knows someone liked, someone disliked. It knows someone is commenting or not. It handles all the points. It assigns you points, something like that. So it does its thing. So I'm just trying to fix some things now. Instead of depending on the application, I would want to do something like this, basically. Hey, 25 likes? What's happening? I only got 5 likes yesterday. I mean, it's a good thing. Last night I downloaded PUBG PC but not launching in Linux. Why would you try to play PUBG PC on Linux? Waste of data. Dude, I don't think PUBG is supported in Linux. It needs some anti-cheat which doesn't work in Linux. At least that's what I think. I'm not. If you joined my stream recently, then you wouldn't really. PUBG doesn't work. Yeah, I don't think you would find it any interesting, Leo. But trust me, I have a lot of things which works fine. I have an AI editor. What else? I have Amazon Auto. There are cool projects which I did during live streams. So I also do use AI if I need it to be. So don't mind me using it. Samarpit Santoki. True. Anti-cheat. Yeah. Hey, welcome to the stream. You seem new. That means you're watching my stream lately, but you just haven't sent any text. Welcome to the stream, Samarpit. Welcome to the stream. This is Blazing Main. Show my face. I got a lot of viewers today, new people, and I have got many likes. So let's celebrate. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subs. Hey, Hussein, welcome back, bro. Welcome back. Hussein, bad day, or you can say sad day. The face filters. Where is the Thanos face? That's the thing. The face filters is not working. I tried my best. I started to stream. I sat down in front of my machine to start stream at 9:30. I banged my head against the wall for almost 30 minutes to bring that application to work, but it's not working. And is there anything else you noticed in the stream? Does anything? You notice something strange? It is something better, even a little bit. My audio. There is something else. Yes. Thanks for the sub, Leo. Thank you so much. I was really upset that when I'm getting new people watching my stream, and that's the perfect time for my face application to not work. I was a little bit disappointed. I can see parcels in the background too. Yes. So that's actually a fan. So this is a toolbox. That's a fan. That's an Amazon box. So what happened was I was trying to attach it to my lamp right up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. So, but the stupid thing is not compatible. And it's not really possible for you to see whether it's compatible or not before you buy it. So I got the fan on a deal. It's a wonderful fan. It has a remote. It can be controlled from an app. You can't see. Probably it got blurred or something, but there is a fan right there. That's a fan. So this is the one which sticks to the wall. And these are the wings. That's one wing. And this is another wing. I mean, the camera angle, I cannot really rotate it. It's perfectly kept it in that place. I don't want it to move even a little bit because I use a standing desk. I don't want it to wiggle and drop. I love my camera. So I just sealed it right there. So I can't really rotate it myself. That's the thing, Hussein. I'm not using YouTube API. Everyone wonders how much does it cost. It would cost a lot much money, but I'm not using YouTube API. That's the thing. I'm not using YouTube API. Why would I use YouTube? Come on, man. You have been watching my stream for a long time, probably at least 2 weeks, I guess. Let's see when you join my channel. If you notice, I think YouTube is currently working on some leaderboard in the chat. It's assigning points to you. So if you see this XP things, we can see Dinesh is on top. I think are these guys still active or these guys watching my stream so that I can determine whether these points are given based off watch points or comments. I have no clue. Oh, looks like I got. You're from Kerala? No, I'm from Telangana, Telugu speaking person, but I do like Malayali films. I don't really watch films in regular, but if I had to watch, it's mostly going to be a Malayali film. Don't ask me names. I don't really remember the names, but I enjoy those movies. I remember you said that before. Yeah, I'm using a nightly browser. Or there is another tool like something like that. You cannot use Chrome for this. Chrome doesn't allow you to do that. But you can use a Firefox fork, which would let you monitor what's happening in the browser. It wouldn't let you tamper it, but it would let you see what's happening. So all the chat messages which happening, I can show it to you. I did this in the live as well. I was not trying to. Raylangi Mama, yes. Welcome to the stream, coding buddy. Welcome to the stream. You seem new to the channel. I'm so happy. I get a lot of new viewers today. I hope I get some subscribers, but that's fine. It's another story, anyways. But welcome to the stream. How is my mic? This is the day one I'm using this new mic. Is it sound good? Are you guys facing an issue which previously you guys faced? Subscribe. Thank you so much. I just turned off my audio, which is being sent to my streaming PC. Sounds good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm keeping this mic then. Dude, this sounds really good. Not working. You can see the error which says is this command not found. That's the first topic. And the second one is basically just do it. The second topic is I was previously using an application. You see that crackling sound? You see that? Are you guys able to hear that crackle sound? I mean, obviously this is a lot better than my previous mic, but why is that happening? To the channel Endless Flow Code. See. There are 3. Did you guys see that? Or maybe are you guys able to hear it? A complex or professional photographing camera unit to you, you won't be able to do what much. Not afraid. I can able to understand when some is like gaps. Is there a problem with this mic? Is there a problem with my OBS? Sometimes I don't want those things to happen. I paid this much. I had a mic already. Why would that happen? Stream Elements is sleeping. It just sent a message right now. Why would that happen? Let me see this. I will disable NVIDIA's RTX voice, and I will just use plain microphone with some kind of noise gate to see if that fixes something. Or maybe I can just dial down some input gain. Hello. So this is the max I have. I'll just decrease it to like half. Set it to half. Maybe while it's too high, it's having some issues. So let's speak for like 5 to 10 minutes to see if that fixes something. If it's still happening, I will try to disable the RTX voice. Even after that, it still happens, then I have to find out something. I don't hate this mic, honestly. But if it doesn't try to solve the problem which I'm already facing, then probably this is not the right mic. But it sounds wonderful. I like what I hear. Explains in simple terms, the like typical car. Yeah. That if I want to make any different couple, I won't be able to. Did I got the like here or in the past? To write. Okay. About 20. I'm 27, by the way, so that's different. There are certain things you have to do it yourself. You don't. Okay, I see the problem somewhere. But let's see. Now the time is 11:48. Let's speak like this for like 12:05 or 12:10. I mean, the time I'm looking down here. So I will try to speak as much as I can and see if that fixes things. If it's not, then I might need to change some things, I guess. But I expected that to work fine. What I can do other than this, I cannot fix Windows stuff. I was so excited that this would fix all my microphone issues. Guess that's way too far away. What am I doing? Yeah, this thing needs to be moved a little bit right. That's what I remember the last time. Why the hell? I think the problem is just justify content center. Space around. It's fine. Let's Let's set it like that. Let's do the animation things. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What should I? What show should I watch? What do you mean? I don't really watch any series in general. I would just prefer to play a game myself. Should I? If you want to see my code which I'm writing, you can just type exclamation screen. But I'm doing CSS anyways, so yeah, that's my fan. Things are not working for me. I got a new mic. It's not working as expected. I got a new fan, but that's not connecting. Yeah, there is some issues with the mic. I can still hear the scratching sound. What can I do now? Oh no, I really thought this would work fine. How can I fix this? Is it the microphone problem, or is it some problem with my PC drivers or something like that? I don't think NVIDIA is causing that issue. It's way too much. I don't think NVIDIA is causing that issue. It's way too much. It's way too much. It's way too much. I will just try probably the wire is. Just restarted my microphone. How do you think? I'm just going to read all the chat just so that you guys can tell me if you hear the same sound again. Hey, this is new to the hood, coding buddy. Yeah, subscribe. Sounds good. Yeah, I can hear it, but it's that from the mic. So what do you guys think? Is it still happening or not? If it's still happening, there is one more option. I would just turn off the NVIDIA application, which clears out the microphone, audio, stuff like that. So probably that's causing the issue. I have no clue. I don't think it's happening any longer. So let me test it myself. Hello. Me tested myself. Hello. Come on. Yep. This is better. Hey, how are you? It's me, Blazing Bane. How are you? Can you hear me fine? I'm here. I can hear fine. I don't think it's happening anymore. But let's keep it this way and see how it reacts. It happens when you start or stop speaking, I think. I don't think so. I'm stopping and starting manually myself. If whoever is watching new, I just got a new mic. I'm just testing this. I like how it sounds. It's so good, but why was it having such rattling sound? Probably it's the wire. Let's dangle the wire a little bit. I mean, I still have 20 more days or 25 days at least to return this. So I would. Why? Jagdeep, let's keep it in English, man. If you start speaking in Hindi, and everyone would be doing the same. I think there is no longer the issue. So why would that happen in the first place? Oh, I think that's because of the voice meter. I use this application. I was about to send a super chat, but light chale gaye, or I'll go picking up the live NGL. I have no shame to admit, I don't understand what is the story behind this. I think my camera is way too up, but I'm sitting way too comfortable. I would normally sit a little bit like this. I think that's definitely a voice meter issue. But that's the only. These are the problems with Windows. But when it works fine, the mic is good. What do you guys think? So I'm increasing the input gain just a little bit. I'm not going all the way max, but like 98% max. Let's decrease a little bit. But for the price, it's definitely a good deal. I got it for $51 with. Yeah, that's the thing. with the arm as well as the mic, and it also has the XLR support. In case if I want to upgrade it in the future, I can just attach the cable directly, PC. The reason I didn't really buy it now is because that takes a lot of space in my desk. I just didn't want it. So anyone is watching, if you hear the crackling sound in the future, just let me know. But the fix was to unplug it and plug it back. So the issue is with the mic or the cable. Too complicated, man. Okay, let's stick to the basics. Let's see if it still happens. Just let me know, guys. So this is the alert. This is how I would like to look for now. So let's apply the styles. Where is the code? Right here. Starboard. Oh, sorry. I can't see anything because of the mic, like HTML. So keyframes. Yes, thank you so much. Top should be minus, or let's say bottom. No. So initially 0, or let's say from top it should be 1000 pixels to, I think it's better to bottom instead of top. Bottom minus 100 to bottom 0 pixels. So animate. So in JavaScript, when this happens, it should be main container. Yeah, something like this. Dot animate. Oh, we can do something like this. Yeah, that's fine. Transform from to transform. Is it from to to? So when the moment it's on load. See how it works. I don't see absolutely no change. Have you tried cursor? Not really. Though this is what I'm using, the AI. I use ChatGPT and I use an extension called Super Maven. These two things are enough for me. I know cursor, Claude AI, they are good. I heard. Is it too loud? Do you guys want me to decrease the gain a little bit? How does it sound? Fine now? Yeah. So I heard those are really better, but it's just whatever I have currently, those are working fine. Color white. What am I changing in the JavaScript? I'm changing background color. Looks like that is not working. Oh really? I don't really know much. But Super Maven does. Now it's working fine. Why is it? Definitely not infinite. Duration, it's 1 second. Iteration 1. Did I mess up something, or why is it not working? Animation, animate. Let's remove this. I don't think it's stopping, does it? I used Windsurf before and it's good, but I feel like it's not like autofill code for me too much. So the suggestions which this application is giving to me, I like it. That's what I truly wanted. So translate 0 to 100 pixels. Let's remove this. This is the main container. When it loads, I want that animate from 0 to 0 to 0 to minus 100. Totally fine. If I didn't give this in duration, so that means I definitely have to give duration. It breaks and goes away, something like that. Why? And this thing is not at all applying the animation at all. Keyframe animate from bottom minus 100 to 100. I didn't know CSS would be this difficult. It should work fine. Alright, I don't have much time. It's almost 12. So I hate CSS. Man, you should work in my company. There are like really stupid UI decisions. I want to have like a pop up on initial load one time. The container needs to smoothly move up. Let's see how it handles it. To replace the current function with the bottom -100, which is invalid. Oh, really? I have no clue that that's invalid. Except the hover. Yeah, hover. CSS is fine. It's just what we are trying to achieve with it. It's just too difficult. Without HTML and CSS, the entire web application would be like down. Where is my... Yeah, something like this. Why does it have a fade animation instead of what I truly asked it for? Does it hallucinate? What happened? Translate -50 to opacity. Why the hell is it doing opacity? I don't want opacity. Probably the opacity is set to 0. Let's set it to 1. Okay, I think I need to move it a little bit up. 200%, I guess. Which one is X and which one is Y? Transform -100%. I think the first one is, if you log into ChatGPT, it responds better, but I don't want to log in. I have a login in another PC, but let's see. This has a paid version. Damn CSS. Initially, let's use text to speech. Just start. Yep. I want the component to be way to bottom when it first loads, and then to come out at the bottom, for 0, so that I can have like a slide animation, but it should only happen once. I want it to be almost 1 second duration and smooth. I don't want any opacity or over effects. It's just, it should be down, basically not visible, and then smoothly like slide up. I don't know if it can understand my English or not. Even with the free account, yeah, I mean, true, but have a paid account anyways. I was just thinking, why would it not work? Start position, set the initial position to place the inventor far below the viewpoint. That's what I'm doing. Let's see, what are the changes? Oh, so right, yeah, that was my doubt. So that's totally fine. If it works, it works. And people are afraid that these things would replace us. From -200. Why is it +200? So obviously +200 is not working. There is some problem with that, I guess. Oh, where did it go? If you realize, when the first time it loads, it's coming from bottom to top, but when the second time it's... Did you see that? Oh, it's going about the percentage, so that's not really possible. I want it to be positioned something else then. I fixed it. If you guys didn't know what happened, I'm using position absolute. So that is referring to the parent component body, which is again, the height of the body is this much. So it was not allowed to go beyond that. So that's why it's trying to jam itself. Then I just figured out, okay, I need to use something else, which is fixed. That means it would be using something else instead of the parent component, and it worked. ChatGPT will not replace me, at least anytime soon. Or at least the free version would not replace me. Cool. And how's the mic? Any issues? Gaming kids, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. How is the mic? Does it sound good? Or are there any issues? Any crackling, stupid sounds? Hey, 27 likes, man. That's awesome. Background color white. That's totally fine. I got the like. It stays up for 6 seconds and then goes away. So, AI sucks at coding when it's slightly anything complex. Yeah. And even that's a paid
Gaming
version of
Keats
it.
says, what is this XP?
Yeah, this is XP. I think this is new from YouTube. So it would give you some XP. But I don't know how is it awarding you the XP. Is it by your comments or is it by the view watch time for you? I don't know. It's still new. So if you notice previously YouTube was showing @ signs before your username, but now it's not doing that. I think that's fixed. And gaming kits, I got a new mic. Show my face. New mic along with the arm, but I am so sorry that you guys can't really see it. So, guys,
Gaming Keats says,
rich?
Ritual.
No, it's $51 in a deal along with an arm. Sorry for shouting. Are there any crackling sounds? After the 6 seconds animation, I want that to go
Gaming
down
Keats
again.
says, bro, I don't want to waste time, but I need a best looking portfolio. Just I will keep my projects in it. Use
Framer motion. There are so many inspiration you can do. The search in YouTube, Framer motion or something. You can just use it. Aharon Cosetti. Is it possible to learn code just with mobile? What? You can. What mobile do you have? But you need to have at least a keyboard.
Gaming Keats says, smooth GA on native mic, studio sound.
I'm so happy. So what happens is, gaming kids, previously some viewers were really having a tough time. The microphone, which is this, it just didn't work as expected. Galaxy Tab 7S Lite. I have no idea what version is this. Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. You can definitely learn coding from YouTube. Sorry. Even in this, if it's an Android, then, but you would have a tough way. Telugu, okay. The reason I'm using English is I would normally edit my videos, but there is an AI editor. I wrote my own AI editor. It would edit my videos after I'm done with my stream. So that's the reason I'm speaking in English, because the AI wouldn't understand any other language. So I guess that's fine. I did my first 2 colleges SEM in a mobile phone. So you can definitely do it, Aharoni Cosetti. So there is Termex. This is what I normally use as well. So if in my gaming phone, so I have Termex installed. It is basically a Linux environment inside your phone. So this is how it looks. So you can just type all the commands, like how it... Hey, thanks for the like. 28 likes. That feels good. Let's make it to 30. All the new people, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I would not ask again, though, no worries. So install Termex, and you can do Python, Node.js, even C++, even Rust. I don't know if Go would work fine or not, but yeah, you can definitely start your programming stuff. So if C++ is all you need, you can definitely do it. If Python is all you need, you can definitely do it. So install Termex. It's free. It's a free application. Just all I want you to have is a basic keyboard. I don't want you to type using your phone. It's too difficult and time waste. So get a keyboard. I don't think that's really that expensive. You can use a Bluetooth keyboard, any cheaper one, and you can just use it. I use my phone. I run my servers, like local servers, VPN clients, like VPN servers, in my phone. So basically, when I go to a hotel or a motel somewhere in US, I would just turn on the server inside my phone and let my laptop connect to that server so that I can connect to my PCs at home. So in short, yes, you can use your phone for programming. I hope I answered your question. Do I need to start answering in a short sentences instead of a long one? Thanks. Hope you subscribe or at least liked. Okay, Harish, I saw your text. So sorry. Welcome to the stream. I got something new. If you can notice it. If not, then let's just forget it. Oh really? Thank you so much.
Gaming Keedses says, backside. No air.
Backside no air? Huh? I didn't understand. Oh yeah. Let's focus on programming. We can move it to the side. I don't really care. So all I want is when the first time it loads, it would just bounce up. Got a like, does something, and it should close the browser. So let's do that in the streaming PC parsec. So my stream might look a little bit odd for some time, so let me just full screen so that you guys won't really notice anything. Yeah, backside fine. Yeah, that's a fine. I'll explain to like what's that, but let me just fix this thing. I would forget how to do this thing, so give me like 1 minute. So core OBS, I might need to set an overlay. Let's go to studio mode, overlays, plus what is it called, browser. Create one like likes and press next. I need to have a URL path for this. 1 second guys. This is my PC coding. Is this the one? Yes. And inside static alerts, no, yeah, alerts static, and it should have something called, what does it needs to have? Can you hear me fine guys? I'm a little bit paranoid because I paid this much price. I want this microphone to sound good. I like the sound of it. I just want that to be consistent. Cats, and there is likes.html. So let's copy this, paste it. What? Give me just few minutes. It should be done right now. So the width should be 1080, but the height can be like 600. That's totally fine. Hello, is it working? You ordered the last. Oh, you got the new microphone. Yes, Harish, yes, this is the new one. Show my face. This is the new microphone I'm talking about. I ordered it. I still have the box right under me. We got it. 1 second. Ouch. So this is the mic. Oh, my bad. Right here, I guess. So I was searching for one when I think I did search back in when I was live as well. And luckily I got a deal on the microphone. Previously it was 70, but I don't know, yesterday it was like 51 along the mic as well as the arm. So I was like, why not just buy it? So that's what I did. I like how it sounds. But just like few minutes ago or probably 30 minutes ago, I had like some static issue, but that has been fixed. So I would request you guys to just let me know if you face the same issue again. I can fix it clearly. Are you in states? Yes, bro. Overlays, this is the like. I don't know why this is not working. So let's open the same URL. Oh, cats dot static dot cats. What is the file name? It's like.html. Okay. Way too big, I guess. So let's decrease it. Okay, that's how it would look. Someone removed the like. Too bad. Effects. Pam, 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 pam. Thanks for the like, guys. Yeah, there is some sound disturbance for about 1 second here and there. Is it still happening? I don't really know where the problem is, from my phone or what. Is it still happening? Hello? Is it still happening? I don't really hear it. $51 along the mic as well as the arm. So I was like, there would be some noise if I touch it. There would be some sound if I touch it, like something like this. Oh, I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. Yeah. There is some sound. There is some sound. I can fix it. It was 70, but I don't know. Yesterday it was like 51 along the mic as well as the arm. So I was like, why not just buy it? So that's what I did. I heard it. I like how it sounds. But just like few minutes ago, or probably 30 minutes ago, it sounds. So I definitely heard it. 1 second. So I was searching for one when I think I did search back in when I was live as well. And luckily, I got this a deal on the microphone. Previously, it was 70, but I don't know. Yesterday, it was like 51 along the mic as well as the arm. So I was like, why not just buy it? So that's what I did. It was right here. I don't know. But just like few minutes ago, or probably 30 minutes ago, I had like some static. Yeah, right there. The moment I said static, it had to happen. Look at this. So how did you improve your English and the accent? By just speaking, bro. I don't think I have good English. I really stick to basic words. But there are people who are really good at English, but I don't really care. I don't have any plans to impress someone with my English. So I'm just keeping it simple. I use simple words. That's it. The irony is, the moment when I said static, that's when I got the sound. Along the mic as well as the arm. So I was like, why not just buy it? So that's what I did. I like how it sounds. But just like few minutes ago, or probably 30 minutes ago, I had like some static. The moment I said static, it had to happen. So probably let's say that something as a fluke. So is it still happening? Let's see. Is it happening? Let's see. Hello? Is it happening? Let's see. Hello. So it's definitely not the wire. I'm moving it very roughly. Where is it coming from, bro? Let's test it for a few days, a few streams. If it didn't work, I can just return. If it works, then it's totally fine. So let's go back to basics. I got some questions, so let me see. It only happens when you're talking, I think. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I found that funny. No, I don't think it's happening. You really had to trigger that, bro. Unlucky gamer. Hi. Hey, bro, how are you? I'm doing good. At least that's what I say. There are certain things which I anticipated to work, but those are not working. First thing, the fan. Show my face. Oh, I disabled this. 1 second. There should be a sound now, bro. No, there should. Oh, this is wrong. 1 second. This is the right one. Yeah, you should be able to listen to that sound now. So all I want this is, let's see, chat overlays, likes. Why does it have a stupid effect? Hey, Spider-Man counts 100 points, so be careful. Okay, that's definitely fine. So I would just refresh the browser then. Documentation or tutorials in your opinion? It's a good source. Unlucky lucky gamer, you seem new to the channel. Welcome to the stream. If you have any question, let me know. If you want to talk about something, let me know. I am a gamer myself. I play Battlefield, PUBG, Rainbow Six Siege, Apex. In PC, I also have a gaming phone right here. This is one I normally use, but not a great phone. But I got another phone for gaming. Welcome to the stream, guys. But one thing I must say, this microphone is really good. I mean, it's using USB, but it's still good. I wish that static noise doesn't happen too long, but when I pay for something, I want that to be near perfect. Of course, if I can find the solution of like why is it happening? Is it because of my PC? Is there any issues with my drivers? I don't know. Feel sad, man. Definitely feel sad. Oh, you can see there is a fee fine. Let's remove it, that damn thing. Okay, what's up? Yeah, you have 10 points, bro. Harun, when you get 20, you can use the speak command. When you get 50 or 100, you can trigger other commands as well. Yeah, I do play PUBG, basically BGMI, but I'm from US, so I can't really play BGMI. That's another story. I feel like, what do you call it? A real streaming people where they use this microphone, stuff like that. Should I have it something like this? But I think this is fine. I can't see anything. Muted myself. Yeah, it's totally fine. Okay, I'll never touch that microphone again. I think you guys should be able to hear a static noise now. Let's forget about it. Let's stick to basics. So what should happen is I would like to refresh the source. Browser source URL, no. Okay, bro, I'm not a gamer, but I'm a developer for the last 4 years. I was doing web development, but I loved the game development, but at the time I didn't have a good system. Sad. Real sad. I mean, I thought you were like a gamer, so your name had a gamer, so that's it. No offense. Set a browser URL. Let's see. This is the right URL, cats like.html, and I press OK. And once that is done, basically reuse this and set the browser source to something else, which should be OBS source chat browser URL. It would be like space, empty space, something like that. What is this? Definitely delete this. So I think I'm using the wrong browser source. Did I just accidentally close it? No. Oh, my bad. It should be something else. It should be overlays, likes. Okay. Should be overlays, likes. Okay, guys, let's test this. I want you guys to just like my stream for once so that I can see how it works. In the meantime, let's go back to coding. Yeah, let's reply to some messages. Did you work in a startup, bro? Not really. No, I haven't really worked in a startup. I work in an insurance firm. Someone removed a like. I requested for a like, guys. Yes, I have a gamer. I play games like GTA, Red Dead Redemption 2, and more AAA games. I play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege. I think I already told you, but I play only multiplayer games. You see the cat dancing? It should go away. Well, looks like it's working, but it's not going away. So let's see. How can I fix it? 30 likes, guys. I got 30 likes. I think this is the first stream I got 31 likes. Please don't dislike now. So I think the URL is not changing. So in the URL test. Oh, invalid URL. Okay, that means I need to have a valid URL then. So this is what I would do. I would just copy this Not this, sorry. I'll just copy this and just set it here. Instead of HTML, I would do this. There's no way it can test it now. See? I think the stream games are so costly, but it is not. Steam games, sorry, I thought I heard it as stream. You're breaking record in every stream I join. Really? I mean, this is the first stream you joined, Summer Pit. Unless if I'm wrong. So I want someone to like the stream now. This is the final test. Guys, can anyone like my stream? Or else I can like myself. I think everyone checking the overlays by removing and adding likes. That's what's really happening. Yeah. You should see when I have the animations when I had the cat crying on my face. Everyone like disliking just to see that and then liking the game back. Bro, I recommended you to stream a game called Dead Space 3. So I can see the cat dancing and then it hides. It should have been going down, I understand. But that's fine. As of now, I can upgrade it. I know that doesn't really look good like before I had an absolute animation. So you can see this is the problem. I open this. It cannot read any, camera. It says no camera access. So I restarted my PC. I restarted like this one. I quit. Then I turn it again. It would not work. My initial doubts were probably I'm using my camera directly, but if I set it to SnapCam and still use this application, it says it's already running. I know you guys can't see my face, but wait for 1 second. Where is the damn application? Yeah, don't go away. Delete. Thanks for the like, guys. Feels good. Definitely feels good. It is taking ages to open the application. Why? Where are you from? India, Telangana. Why does it say it's already open? Check your system toolbar. Maybe it's still there. It's not there, dude. So I think there is a SnapCam application still running. So I would just delete all them. If it works fine, it works fine. But someday I have to get freedom from this application. I cannot depend on that for this long. Everything seems gone. Amalapuram. Oh, cool. Cool. Yeah, you can see it's not reading. Yeah, I'll try this after the stream. Definitely not really worth it right now. Something happened. Something terrible happened. Okay, bringing back my cam. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep, I'm here. So someone asked whether that's a fan. Yes, it's a fan. I'm supposed to attach it to my ceiling, but the holder is not compatible with this holder. So I have a question that game dev future is in dev is good or not. No. I don't think it's a passion driven career, Mr. Lucky Gamer. It's a passion driven thing. So I don't know. I have a friend who works for like 3D animation. He did a gaming thing in UK and came back. But it's not that easy. And even if you enter into that space, you have to work for certain companies, and they develop games like 10%, but 90% it's like creating assets for movies. So comparatively, no. But yeah, there is a future. Games is still considered as a different thing in India. So unless like some international company looking for some developers, just like how they have like Indian branches like Amazon, Google, they have, even though there are American companies, they have their branches in India. So in the same way, we would also have something similar. But I don't think there would be any gaming company in India. Not really. What do you think? You have done like 4 years. How do you feel about it? So this thing is working fine. Likes thing is done. I will do the dislike thing later. I would definitely remove this Relangi Mama spamming things. It's way too much. So let's build a file and like update it on the fly. Pam, 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 pam. Some like Rajamouli has make a big impact, but in the Indian gaming industry, then only one friction will be reduced. So that's the thing. We have to wait for something to be happen. But if you're waiting for something to be happen, that means it's not ready. Even there is less scope for electronics and stuff like that. Bro, I'm so confused between CSA and ECE. What do you want to become? That's the first thing. Are you interested in computers, programming? If you look at a code, let's say this Golang code, what do you feel about it? Do you feel interested, or do you just, what am I looking at? Or do you just hate programming? There is a lot of spam by Relangi Mama, so I'm just going to remove it. I would like just make command prompt open. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll just I'm supposed to like generate a file for this. I don't really remember the commands. I will just save it in a notepad. Makes sense, isn't it? How is the microphone? Do you guys listen? Do you guys get any static noise? Unless you guys tell me, I would never know. That's totally fine. I removed the messages. Comment mama no like or dislike messages. This is commented. This is how I deployed in my Raspberry Pi. I would push it, go to my Raspberry Pi, come on, and then go to login. I think this is way too small, isn't it? Back to gaming. Varun Maya is making a AAA game. I think in the near future there will be more games development companies originating from India. I think yes, there would be some growth, yes, but the potential is not that much. Feels like the future is quantum computing, artificial intelligence, semiconductor design, startups, space exploration, hardware manufacturing. Really very confusing. Yeah, that's the thing about future, man. No, it's really tough to track what's going to happen. Imagine there are companies like Google, Amazon, they have like almost, you can say, most intelligent people around them, but they still make mistakes about assuming what will happen in the future. Then compared to them, who are we both? Of course, I'm not saying not to think about the future. It's just we anticipate something and something will happen. And especially after COVID, I just stopped making plans more than 1 or 2 years. I just gave it up because I know that things will be different after 1 year. So this is how I deploy this. So I will go to my backend folder, our directory. I would just do gmod +x alerts. That's done. Yep, and then sudo systemctl restart alerts.service. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm typing. It's way too small. Maybe I can increase it in this way. Where is the settings? Change to 20, apply. Noise is back to, is it really back? I mean, thanks for letting me know. I'm not really hating on you. It's just why Lord Vishnu Avatar. I have to definitely check it out. I no idea. When did you hear it again? I'm just keeping it away out of my screen. Yeah, I heard it. When I said go to my Raspberry Pi, that's when it happened. But why would it happen? I just can't wrap my head around it. Is it because of my voice meter? Is it because of my NVIDIA voice? So let's for certain it's almost 12:30. Yeah, I don't know. So I would just close down NVIDIA RTX voice. Oh, it happened again. How can I fix this? Should I get a new mic? Damn it. Oh, it. Then when I said why would it happen, I have no idea, dude. Because the audio things is the when you search about it, the reviews are absolutely fine. But I found a video where they said there is, you know, some kind of an issue with the wire. I'm using like type C to type C. I will try to connect it directly in a USB traditional port. Give me 1 minute. Okay, small change is made. I This is a wonderful Mac. I don't know if there is no other alternate as well. If I don't use this, they had to buy something else, which is expensive, yes. But if I don't know what's the issue, is it still happening? Yes, I have been working in web development for about 4 years now, but the field has become quite competitive recently. Yeah, true, true. Competition is definitely true. Why? Okay, I don't think Relang Mama would send that many messages like before. So I'm still speaking. I'm still speaking. Still speaking. Alongside that, I have also been diving into game development for the past 2 months. I have been developing a game inspired by World Wars. Oh, wonderful. Focusing on immersive gameplay, like zombie survival mechanics, and a high quality experience. Good luck to you. If you want, if the game is almost like ready, let me know. I can just make a video about it, so that I can like showcase to others, support your game. I know that in India the gaming audience is mostly lens towards mobile gaming. Not really. There are a lot of people who play games. Relangi Mama is a bot. Mainly due to hardware limitation, but I'm lucky to have access to the right setup and I'm passionate about creating games that raise the bar. That's the thing. Gaming industry in India would only survive because of passion, not because of business. For any company to survive, we need business, not passion. That's a hard reality. If you create a startup, if you want your company to grow more, of course passion is needed, but along with that you need business. There are so many companies which came out of passion and motivation and they didn't really work because of there is no business. So I'm not disencouraging you. I'm a gamer myself. Once your game is of most like playable, let me know. We can plan something. No worries. Cool. I know a lot of people don't just think like there are only mobile gamers. There are a lot of people who play games. Piracy is a main problem in India for games and anime also. It is a problem, definitely, yes. But because of piracy, people get to know your games. So you cannot stop making games because of that. Imagine how many games were pirated, like Just Cause 3, GTA 5. But still, they are the topmost games because they want people to play their game. That's it. The publication needs to be on top of everything. It's not like you're playing or not. It's just people needs to know your company. People needs to, so that the investors can invest in that company. Does it sound good, my microphone, or is it still happening? Yes, it does. It does. I mean, I created that bot. I didn't really write a complex algorithm to know the. I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. It's just I cannot track who is watching, but all I can track is the number of messages you send. Even with YouTube API, that's not possible. I can just see what's happening in the chat. If I can see if you're really watching or not, that would be really awesome. But that's not really the case. Guys, let me know. I don't really know whether any other possible solution, man. XLR, USB, microphones. I would definitely want both XLR and USB. So one is this, and the other one is this. The next one is way too out of my range. Like after this, I have to go to like HyperX 120. Those are absolutely not needed. Is it for the user privacy, or YouTube doesn't include the feature to know who's watching live? No, that's not the case. I can definitely know. There are sites. Let me show it. Pirating games just to play them is okay, but making a girl pirates my heart just to play with my feelings and emotion, that's too far. Dude, what happening? Once a while I get some certain type of viewers who just become like poetries, Shakespeare's. So this is how I can see. As a streamer, I can see like Azam, someone is watching, Lucky, Unlucky is watching, and you all are watching. And we can see there are 9 people watching. That means many of them has not interacted with my channel yet. So that's the reason I can't really see their names. Unless you interact, that's privacy. But the moment you send a message, that means you have agreed to YouTube privacy settings that your username will be shown to others. There is some game that is being played. That's how it works. So I'm just closing this for now. So if someone else, like absolutely new person, would just send a message, that's when I will see his name. But the other types of viewers, of course, don't feel offended. There are a lot of people like you. Siddhant was one of you. Iconic was also one of you. All of a sudden, there was some random topic, and like girls came in, and then everyone were like, it was really fun that day. I don't know if I can visit the same stream again, but that's the case. I just uploaded this video. Do you know about Arvind Srinivas? Not really, so sorry. So I have these 2 options. One is this, and the other one is this. And this one is a lot more advanced than this one. But this one looks really neat. But it doesn't come with the arm. I have to pay extra to buy an arm. AMAT crackling sound. Let's see if someone did something. The only thing people hear on the other end is jump or static sound. Any fixes? It's been 2 years. What? Thanks so much. Change the cable, fix the issue for me as well. Appreciate the help. What cable are you using instead? I do have another cable, so let me see if that fixes issues. I'll still keep it connected. So this is another C2C cable. I don't know. Let me give 1 minute. The cable is here. Hello, mic check. So this cable is what I use for my almost 100 watts. It supports 100 watts. Is it still? It still has a lot of noise. I think it still has it. I'm speaking something. Yeah, I got mine today and I'm having same issues. Did you find any solution yet? Trading algorithm with Terry Davis. He's my favorite programmer. He wrote an entire operating system while suffering from schizophrenia. Good luck to you writing a Python trading bot. Thank you. Thanks for joining, Azam. Hope you subscribe. Alright, it's almost been 12:45 now, so I would like to go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow then. Until that, it's peace. I don't know if there is a problem with my microphone, or I don't know how to really fix it. Hope that. Anna, Sujit, let's stick to English. Anna, back on our front end. I am full stack developer, bro. I'm full stack AWS. Yes, bro. I'm also capable of creating story-driven mobile games, games that go beyond just shooting or survival mechanics. These games offer engaging narratives, emotional storytelling. I don't think I remember saying that you're not capable of doing such things. It's just I just prefer playing multiplayer games. So Sujit, yeah, I'm a full stack developer. I work for I'm currently working with Angular at work and Python and Java for backend. And the cloud we use is AWS, database, Oracle, and MongoDB. I truly believe this is a huge unwrapped community in the Indian gaming market, while most developers focus on competitive or casual mobile games. So there is a little bit of story. There is a company called Battlefield and Apex. They both launched games. There are big companies, big budgets. They launched their mobile versions of their counterparts for Battlefield and Apex. Even in India, they did launch it. That didn't really work as expected. There are a lot of other games which we used to play in the past, like Shadow Fighter or something, like Mini Militia. They were really excellent games. That's true. Give me an advice for BTech final year. Should I choose? Shouldn't to choose which tech stack? You had to be a full stack. There is no more Marin or stuff like that. You have to be learning basics in everything. So, unlucky lucky gamer, I'm not trying to disencourage you. I'm just sharing my opinion. That's it. We are having a conversation. You say something, I say something. That's it. I would never really stop like making you follow your dreams or passion. It's not like that. It's just we have different opinions. That's it. Peace. Just like a chit, exactly, just like a chit chat. Like normally we have a conversations while drinking tea. Some people like, do you think I can buy this car? I was like, why would you like to buy that car? The reason why I'm not speaking in Hindi or in my own other like mother tongue is because I have an AI editor. It cannot understand any other language than English. And I don't really think language is a barrier in YouTube. But if once I start speaking in one particular language, it would just break the entire system I had for almost 2 years. I do listen to Bhojpuri songs. Trust me. 2 or 3 songs majorly. Oh really? Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I hope you follow your passion. Reach all your levels of success, whatever you're looking for. If anything you need from me, let me know. If your game is half baked or ready, just let me know. I am interested. I will just take a look. Alright guys, it's almost 1 p.m. I had to go to office tomorrow morning. I will test the same microphone tomorrow in the same stream. I will see. Maybe I will use another USB cable, but I don't think I have a longer version than this. But if it works, it works. Yes, I am currently in US. Sure, unlucky. What is the date there? It's 4th of July. Hey, thanks. Thanks for joining, CodeBam. Bye, Sujit. Hope you guys liked my stream for today. I know I didn't really do much. The overlays were not working. I mean, the face filters, the application was not working. But yeah, it was a good stream. I got like 34 likes. It's totally fine. I mean, tomorrow is the weekend. I can stream a little bit more longer than this, probably 1 more hour than this. So until then, peace, guys. Alright, I'm stopping my stream. Maybe this wire fixed some issues. Yeah, Bharat Mata ki jai, America. Sabki Mata ki jai. You made me speak in Hindi. Alright, guys. Hope you have a good day, night, evening, whatever it is. Until then, see you guys in the next stream. Yeah, that's true. That's true. See you again in the next stream. Bye bye.